Now we're going to install the safe. The reason we've selected this location is because it's in a garage that's lockable and alarmed. We've also got this cupboard, which is concealed from view. It's also got a concrete floor and internal timber framing to fix to. Police recommend attach the safe to 2 surrounding surfaces. Bolts and coach screws should be a minimum of 6mm in diameter and 75mm in length. Remember, once your safe's installed, to get it inspected.
For more information, refer to the Te Tari Puriki website under the Secure Storage and Transportation Guide for Firearms and Ammunition.